the impact of seeing the first patient has never left me. Why are there still places of the world where a 16-year-old girl can want to kill herself because of a condition that's completely preventable?
I feel guilty and I do not even have a chance to say sorry, given that they passed away.
It was a goosebumps moment and reminded them of what's really important. They described it as a reminder not to sweat the small stuff. And one of them said, I was crying, you were crying, we were all crying.
ibibazo natewe n'iyi ndwara byanshenguye umutima. The consequences of this disease are engraved in my heart.
Sergei to stop.